Morning. It's a gorgeous, a little bit wet day in Northeast PA. Can you hear that? It's Waterfall here. Can you see that back there? I don't know. Can you? Let's go check it out. What the world is this? I hope that's the only sign of spray paint that I see around here, because it's a gorgeous spot. This is Bear Creek Falls. And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? According to the database, these are 40 feet high. Beautiful little cascade. And it just trickles down. We had a little bit of rain last night, so the water flow, actually it's really not any heavier than it was last time I was here. I wonder if it really gets heavy. That would be a sight, wouldn't it? Okay, I'm going to have to choose my steps carefully here. A lot of rocks and of course mud and all that. But look at this. How nice. Wow, could you imagine if that was really heavy? Actually, I kind of like it the way it is, just a little trickle. You can see the rocks and everything. We got this big outcropping, like holy crow. Look at that. Real easy to find. It's falls by Bear Creek. We're north of Whitehaven. Doesn't that sound beautiful? Oh yeah, of course there's a little graffiti. Like what else is new? What do we have here? What do we have here? A little guy? Little guy? Where you going? Okay, there's a little path down here. I'm going to see how it is today. See if I could get up there. Go up to the top of the falls. Oh, everything's squishy. Whoa, slippery. Yeah, we don't want to fall. Gotta be careful. Well, that path is a little steep, to say the least. Yeah, everything's a mucky, slippy mess here. Last thing I want to do is fall. We don't want that. No, we don't want that. Okay. Oh, loving husband. Somebody must have... They must have loved coming here. Somebody set up a memorial for them. Okay. I'm going to try this path. See if I could get up there. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this is really steep. I'm gonna have to go this way. Oh gosh. Yeah, this is really... Not sure if I could get up there with this foot. We'll try. We will try. Problem is getting down. Well, I tried to get up there. It was very slippery. And I am the only one here. So, if I would have fallen and got hurt, I would have been in deep doo-doo. So anyhow, next time, when it's a little drier, and somebody's here with me, I will scramble up there. Thanks for coming. Hope to see you soon. Peace, baby.